So here's a big pile of sod I cut out by hand. I cut it out of this area here. I cut all this out with a edging shovel. It took a long time. Then I built this raised bed box for my wife for part of her garden. The garden's in its early stages here in May, but it'll fill out and it'll just be full of all kinds of stuff. So I've been working on this for the past several days. It should last for, I'm hoping, 10-15 years. I'll be long gone by then, but anyway, it cost me about $130 in total for all the material. And if you want to buy a little tiny little box already built, or a raised bed cart, it'll cost you 130 bucks, and all you do is you get maybe a 2 foot by 3 foot box. Anyway, just something to do, keep busy. Okay, so I wasn't smart enough to know when to quit. I took that sod pile and put it inside my new raised bed. It's not quite enough though. I'd like maybe 3 more inches of soil in there, so I'll have to steal some from the yard. But anyway, so there's the box with the soil in it, and I cleaned up around the edge, and that'll be all grown up and green in a month or so, I hope. While I'm out here, this is the breezeway. This is the filthy dirty part. This whole thing was filthy dirty. I mean, just a mess. So I took a wire brush, my grinder. I ruined four or five grinder wheels, discs, grinding this crap. Then I recoated it. It has pretty much 2 coats on it there, so that's much nicer. Then I patched up this sidewalk on the side here, this side piece. I patched it up thoroughly and recoated that. That took a long time. Anyway, just trying to make the place nice in case I drop over dead and my wife has to sell the place. She should do pretty well.